Hi students, welcome to my channel. See that now I am going to discuss about some JEE models in indefinite integrals. 3 to 4 questions I am going to discuss in this video. Please do this. Integral cube root of x by x power 4 minus 1 whole power 4 into dx. First we have to write this integral as integral of x divided by x power 4 minus 1 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 3 into dx. After that, integral x divided by, in this bracket, x power 4 I am taking common, x power 4 whole power 4 into 1 minus 1 by x power 4 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 3 into dx, which is equal to integral x divided by x power 16 1 minus 1 by x power 4 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 3 into dx. So here x cancel, which is equal to integral 1 by x power 15 1 minus 1 by x power 4 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 3 into dx. So a by b whole power 1 by 3 we are going to apply now. Integral 1 by x power 15 whole power 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fives are. Therefore it will becomes x power 5. 1 minus 1 by x power 4 whole power 4 whole power 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 4 is 4 by 3. 1 minus 1 by x power 4 whole power 4 by 3 into dx. Now this question we simplest as this one. Now this value we have to assume that t. Therefore 1 minus 1 by x power 4 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Constant derivative 0 minus 1 by x power 4 is x power minus 4. X power minus 4 derivative is minus 4 into x power minus 5. So it will become as minus 4 by x power 5 is equal to dt by dx. So cross multiply, except 1 by x power 5 into dx, remaining we are taking this side. 1 by x power 5 into dx, we are taking this side, that 4 we are taking this side. dt by 4. So in place of 1 by x power 5 into dx, we have to replace with dt by 4, which is equal to integral 1 by, this complete value is t power 4 by 3 into dt by 4. So 1 by 4 we can take outside. Integral t power minus 4 by 3 dt. It is in the form of integral x power n, which is equal to 1 by 4 t power minus 4 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 4 by 3 plus 1 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 4. Minus 4 by 3 plus 1 is minus 1 by 3. Therefore t power 1 by 3 into, here also we are getting minus 1 by 3 plus c. So the denominator of denominator will become numerator, which is equal to minus 3 by 4 1 by, in place of t substitute 1 minus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 3, which is equal to minus 3 by 4. If you simplify, x power 4 is the LCM, x power 4 minus 1 whole power 1 by 3, which is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x power 4 by x power 4 minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 plus c. See the next question, dear students. Integral x by 1 plus x power 5 whole power 3 by 2 into dx. Integral x divided by, here first x power 5 take common, 1 plus 1 by x power 5 whole power 3 by 2 into dx, which is equal to integral, here x power 4 times cancel, 1 by x power 4, 1 plus 1 by x power 5 whole power 3 by 2 into dx, which is equal to integral x power 4 whole power 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it will become 2 into 3 is 6. 1 by x power 6 into 1 plus 1 by x power 5 whole power 3 by 2 into dx. After that, this we have to assume as t like in previous problem. This is the way we have to make in simplest form. So put 1 plus 1 by x power 5 is equal to t. That means 1 plus x power minus 5 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Minus 5 into x power minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 into dx is equal to dt. Directly I am writing. Minus 5 we are taking this side. X power minus 6 as 1 by x power 6 into dx is equal to dt by minus 5. Therefore, this integral will becomes 1 by x power 6 into dx we can write as dt by minus 5. That means minus 1 by 5 into 1 by t power 3 by 2 into dt, minus 1 by 5 integral t power minus 3 by 2 into dt, integral exponent formula can apply, minus 1 by 5 t power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c, which is equal to minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus c, which is also written as minus into minus plus 2 by 5. T power minus 1 by 2 is 1 by t power 1 by 2 plus c, 2 by 5 1 by root t plus c, t power 1 by 2 means t is what assumption, that is equal to 2 by 5 1 by square root of 1 plus 1 by x power 5 plus c, which also can be written as 2 by 5 square root of x power 5 by 1 plus x power 5 plus c. Next question. Integral x square minus 4 divided by x power 4 plus 24x square plus 16 into dx. In this what we have to do? Integral. In the numerator, x square is the highest coefficient, highest power. So x square you have to take common from the numerator and denominator. X square if you take common from numerator, 1 minus 4 by x square divided by, here also take common x square from the denominator, it will becomes x square plus 24 plus 16 divided by x square into dx. After that x square get cancelled. Integral 1 minus 4 by x square whole divided by x square plus 24 plus 16 by x square into dx. After that how to proceed? Till here most of the students they were able to do that. After that how to proceed? Observe that numerator and denominator especially. Here denominator this term as well as this term, these two terms you have to observe, both are the squares. Here x whole square you can write, this can be written as 4 by x whole square. So separately if you write means these two, x plus 4 by x. X derivative is 1, 4 by x derivative is minus 4 by x square. So numerator value we are getting as some function derivative. What function means? By observing here, put x plus 4 by x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of x is 1. 4 you can take outside. D by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. That means minus 4 by x square is equal to dt by dx. But I want dx into. So dx we can take this side. Minus 1 by 4 x square into dx is equal to dt. So in the numerator we are going to put as dt. What about the denominator? So denominator, what we have to do? X plus 4 by x is equal to t, whatever we are taking assumption here. Squaring on both sides, x square plus 16 by x square plus 2 into x into 4 by x. So it will become as 8. 2 into x into 4 by x. X gets cancelled. 2 into 4 is 8, which is equal to t square. But I want, in place of these two, you have to replace with, so 8 we are taking this side. X square plus 16 by x square is equal to t square minus 8. Therefore, this integral can be written as integral, this complete value will become as dt. From that, why, in place of these two, t square minus 8 plus 24, which is equal to integral dt by t square plus 16, which is equal to integral dt by t square plus 4 square. We know that formula, integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So we can write as answer 1 by a value is 4, tan inverse of x by a, x means what here, t by 4 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 4, tan inverse of, in place of t, x plus 4 by x, divided by 4 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 4, tan inverse of x square plus 4 divided by 4x plus 4. Thank you students for watching my videos. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. And is there any doubt, please write to in my inbox. I will respond in proper time. Thank you very much.